Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Farisah Irwayu. I'm from English Education Class 8. In this video, I will try to answer the question of second language acquisition for my final exam. The first one is about the role of the first language. In the beginning, the first language was considered as an obstacle in the process of developing a second language. However, now students' first language has been evaluated in terms of the cognitive process involved in the second language learning. In the other words, that the student's first language is one of the many factors that influence and shape of the development of a student's second language, which is then called the language transfer. The second one is about input interaction, the cognitive interaction perspective. In this aspect, we can see and know that children will acquire a second language through the interaction process. Because in the interaction process, there will be a communication process which will affect the explicit and implicit knowledge of children. So, between cognitive interaction, children have a reciprocal relationship where from the interaction process, children can gain new knowledge about a second language from his partner. Okay, next is about the cognitive aspect of second language acquisition. In the cognitive aspect, there are two ways of obtaining data. There are symbolism and connectionism, both of which will lead of two different types of knowledge. There are explicit and implicit. In this stage, we will know how the process of acquiring and producing of a second language is. And the next one is about social aspect of second language acquisition. Social factors in second language development will talking about the social context in which students live and work has an effect on how well they learn a second language. For example, a context where the majority or official language is the target language, such as in the case of a second language learner living in the United States or England. Okay, the next one is about the role of explicit interaction. The role of explicit is a second language learning process that is carried out and known consciously. When the students are learning about reading, students will know that they are learning to read. And the next one is the role of implicit instruction. The role of implicit is a second language learning process that is done unconsciously. For example, when a child is interacting with people who use a second language, then the child will indirectly learn the second language from his partner. Okay, and the last one is about understanding and applying of second language acquisition. At this stage, the second language learning process is carried out systematically and regularly, starting from the provision of material by the teacher or tutor, and then the learning process carried out by students to understand the material that has been given and continued with the application of the material that has been obtained in daily life. Okay, I think that's enough for me. Thank you very much for all of your attention and forgive me for my mistakes. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.